きます。Rion's TV. Hey guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rion Ishida. I'm a local Japanese food and travel full-time YouTuber. Right now, it's on the way to go to Super Tamade, which is one of the cheapest supermarket in Osaka. In this video, I will teach you how to cook takoyaki, which is the soul food of Osaka, Japan. But first, let me show you how the Japanese local supermarket looks like and how much the ingredients will cost. By the way, if you want to know one of the best local takoyaki restaurant recommended by local Japanese, please check my other video. Yes, this is my favorite local takoyaki restaurant. Here we go. This is the local Japanese supermarket, Tamade. So let's park the motorbike. Hey guys, welcome to Rion's TV. I'm Rion. Alright, so today I'm at the cheapest supermarket, Super Tamade. In the last video, some people asked me which branch is this Super Tamade. This is the branch near Nakamozu Station. Don't worry about it. There is a big Super Tamade right next to Shin Imamiya Station too. So if you stay around Namba Station or Shin Imamiya Station, probably you want to use that branch. Yes, that's right. I was born and raised in Osaka. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a real Osaka takoyaki. Well, I'm not sure if it's real takoyaki or not, but I'm gonna teach you how I cook. I was born and raised in Osaka, so Osaka's way. Anyway, Super Tamade is just over there, so let's go to the shop.
It's 1 AM and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want.
Alright, so arrived to Osaka's cheapest supermarket, Super Tamade. So let's go to get the takoyaki ingredients. Let's go.
Like a million ideas what we could do, cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you...
First, let's get tenkatsu, which is deep-fried dough. I know it sounds weird, but it's really popular ingredient in Japan. If you can't find this, don't worry about it, you can skip this. I found two tenkatsu, the regular one and the one with squid. Somehow the squid one was cheaper, so I get the squid one. Next, we need red pickled ginger. This one is cheap, so let's get this one. Technically, we have special flours for takoyaki and okonomiyaki, but today I will use the regular one because maybe you cannot find the special flours in your country. So, let's get this one. We need ingredient for dashi too. This one is cheap, so let's get this one. This is the most important ingredient for takoyaki. Yes, octopus. It's a bit expensive, but let's get this one. Right next to octopus, I found a small squid. I think it would be interesting if I use this for takoyaki. So let's get this one as well. I want to make spicy takoyaki too, so let's get kimchi. If you spend over 1,000 Japanese yen here, you can buy today's special for 1 Japanese yen. Yes, it's really cheap. It's orange soda, so let's get this one too. Alright, so done with shopping. Let's go home and cook takoyaki. So let's cook. Today, I cook 4 serving size of takoyaki. First, fry 4 eggs into a bowl. Then, add 800 ml water. And mix it. Now add 1 tablespoon of dashi. After mix it, add 300 grams of flour. Then mix it again. Well, actually, a bowl was too small, so let me replace it to the bigger bowl. Now mix it as fast as possible. It's time to add 80 ml of milk. And it's ready. Next, let's cut octopus. Many people cut it smaller, but I recommend you to cut it in bigger piece. Cause in that way, you can enjoy the octopus flavor more. Yay, I got the especially bigger one. Next, let's cut kimchi. And finally, the squid. I found the cheese in the fridge, so let's add the cheese as well. Yes, it's ready, so let's cook. First, let's cook takoyaki with gas stove. It is hard to make it, so I recommend to cook it with electric griddle. But let me show you anyway. After this, I will show you takoyaki electric griddle later. So first, place the oil and wait until the griddle gets hot. After the griddle gets hot, pour the ingredient. Then add the tenkasu and the red pickled ginger. After that, place the ingredient whatever you want to put it inside. And then pour the takoyaki soup again until it gets filled. After it gets hot, it's time to show off your skill. Yep, try to flip it like a pro. As you can see, if you have toothpicks, it's much easier to cook. So I recommend you to prepare toothpicks. You need to replace takoyakis because usually the heat temperature is not even. This griddle is not a non-stick one, so I'm having a hard time to make it. But I make much better for the second round when I use electric griddle, so please wait for a while if you want to see the perfect takoyaki. It looks pretty bad, but don't worry about it. After place the sauce and mayonnaise, it looks much better. So this is takoyaki sauce. You can use okonomiyaki sauce instead too. Then add mayonnaise. After that, place bonito flake and seaweed. Haha, you see? My bat-shaped takoyaki become like the one made by pro, right? Ta-da! Yes, it's ready! After place the bonito flake and the seaweed, it's not that bad, right? That's takoyaki magic. So let's try. But beforehand, today's beer. Ta-da! Ichiban! Yes, takoyaki with beer, it's always good. So, kanpai! Ah! Psycho! Alright, so let's try one by one. However, to be honest, I can't tell which one is which. So it's kind of interesting, right? Let me try this one first, then... Oishii. It was kimchi and cheese. How about the next one? So let me try from different place. This one was with squid. Wow. Takoyaki with that squid? It's okay. I thought it would be better than that. Still, I haven't got the regular takoyaki. How about the next one? Oh, this one is real takoyaki. Real takoyaki? It's good. No wonder why they put taco. Oh, by the way, octopus in Japanese is taco. That's why they call this takoyaki. Yaki means cook or fry, so they put octopus inside the bowl. That's why we call this takoyaki. Yummy. It was kimchi and cheese. Ah. Well, I just found the one squid one. Well, I'm wondering where are others? So takoyaki and okonomiyakis are really popular in Osaka. Basically, any family has at least one takoyaki plate, like my house. Well, this one I can tell. This one is a kimchi and cheese because it's not circle at all. That was good. You know, for the first one, I couldn't make a good takoyaki. So let me try it again because I still have ingredients. However, this time, let me make it different way. Ta-da! Yes, so this is the takoyaki hot plate. By the way, this one is the takoyaki layers. But if we use the flat one, you can make the yakiniku and okonomiyaki. You know, many family has this kind of plate with takoyaki plates. By the way, this is the family size. So I don't think I can finish it, but I don't want to leave the ingredients. So I'm gonna cook it all anyway. So let's cook it again. Let's do it. Yes, from now, real takoyaki time will start. It's warming up. Alright, so let me place the oil. It's kind of hard to place the oil for this because it's a lot. Alright, so let's make it. Look at this one, it's huge. Yeah. Can't wait to eat this. Oh, you know what? I forgot to place the tenkatsu. And let's place taco. And next, kimchi. Well, to be honest, I thought it would be pretty good if I placed the squid. However, it wasn't really good. So I think I'm gonna eat the squid separately. This regular takoyaki and the kimchi with cheese was the best. Especially this squid, maybe not. And after place this. And let's wait. Speaking of takoyaki, as I said, takoyaki is really popular food in Osaka, right? So in Osaka, it's really popular to have a takoyaki party. We gathered together, we brought something that we want to put into the takoyaki and try to make it and shuffle it. You know, if you mix it, you will never know until you eat what's inside. That's kind of fun, right? So that's how the Osaka people do. Also, having beer and making takoyaki is kind of fun too. To be honest, this is my first time to make this kind of size takoyaki by myself, but it is still fun. This time, I'm gonna make it better. You guys will see. Oh, it was hard. So here is a tip. If you poured it all, it's much easier to make circle. Let me show you. So after wait a bit, let's try to turn this. You see? Much better, right? Oh my goodness, it's hot. Let me take it off. Alright, yes, let's do it.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. Said I love you forever. We can make it together. What was up?
It's hard. Alright, so let me make it circle so that it will look better. You see, this time it looks like a real takoyaki, right? Oh man, now I'm proud of myself. Arigato, arigato. I'm happy. Alright, it's perfect. Hold on. I don't think I can finish this, so let me save it for tomorrow. Takoyakis. It's cool, right? So I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. Well, as you see, I got so many takoyakis. Well, I don't think I can finish this. Let me eat those 6. Alright, so it's ready. Let's clean up. Well, if you have a plate, you can make so many takoyaki in one round. So let me put those into the fridge. Ta-da! This time looks like more takoyaki, right? Let me try the itadakimasu. Oishii. Should have made like this from the beginning. This is the huge octopus one. You know, if you buy takoyaki outside, it can be really expensive. However, if you cook it, it's fun and cheaper. Psycho. So how was it? It's really simple but fun to cook, right? So if you haven't tried to cook takoyaki in home yet, maybe you can try that. You know, I heard so many people that they couldn't come to Osaka and they couldn't try Osaka takoyaki yet. But still, you can cook takoyaki at home and you can feel Osaka. Oh, if you can find a plate though. Well, maybe you can find it on Amazon or something. Or maybe next time when you come to Japan, you can buy the small takoyaki machine or something. Alright, so this video pretty much that's it. Hope you could learn how to make takoyaki at home and you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss my new videos and the surprise live stream. And also, it will really encourage me to keep shooting videos so that you can see more videos too. Thank you so much, stay safe and happy. So see you in the next video. Arigato, so bye bye.